What is a 9-patch block? Welcome to Epida Studio. My name is Elizabeth and I help you make beautiful things with quilting, pojagi, and embroidery. So a 9-patch is a common term that you will hear quilters use. And I remember wondering what a 9-patch was when I was a child and I read Little House on the Prairie and I was reading about Mary working on her 9-patch quilt, and I didn't exactly know what that meant. But a 9-patch quilt block is one of the most basic and traditional quilt blocks. And a 9-patch block is simply a block made out of 9 squares, and they're laid out 3 across and 3 down. So commonly they are laid out with alternating light and dark fabrics. And so you'd have one block that had dark, light, dark, and then the opposite, and then another block that had light, dark, light. And then when you put these blocks together, then your whole quilt would kind of look like a checkerboard. It would have that kind of effect. But of course, there are many different layout options you can do with this block. It doesn't have to be just dark, light, dark. You can use a lot of different colors. There's so many varieties. You're limited only by your imagination. But besides this basic block, you can also make some other fun variations by having these squares in the 9-patch block be made up of smaller pieces like squares, rectangles, and triangles. So that means blocks like the friendship star and a shoe fly block. Those are also kind of 9-patch blocks because it's 3 by 3, but some of the squares are made up with half square triangles. So even though it has its own name, like churn dash, it is still part of the 9-patch family because it's 3 by 3. So click the link below to get a detailed tutorial for how to do a traditional 9-patch block and ideas, inspiration for using it in a quilt. That and other quilting tutorials, patterns, and inspiration can be found at my website, epidastudio.com.